Hey, Dustin this side, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be reviewing the AI Worker app. Are you struggling with time-consuming marketing tasks? Say goodbye to long hours and hello to efficiency. Discover how a cutting-edge AI team can handle all your marketing needs in under 60 seconds. Stay tuned. So let's go through this AI Worker app. We will cover all the points and see the advantages you can have. Make sure you stay till the end of this review, as I will also be showing you how to use this AI Worker and get all the benefits. So what is the AI Worker? AI Worker is an advanced software solution designed to perform specific tasks that typically require human expertise. By leveraging artificial intelligence, these virtual assistants can handle everything from creating marketing materials to managing social media, ensuring efficiency and precision in various professional functions. You can read all the features of AI Worker on the screen or visit the link in the description. Before going further, if you want to check out the AI Worker at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. All the details of OTOs, upsells, and discounts are included in the description as well. To get the discount, use Worker 3 for $3 off. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you will be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. Here are the 20 AI workers that will be working for you 24/7, like our Ryan Anderson, who will be your web developer, or Olivia Roberts, who is our sales funnel specialist. All of these will help you achieve the marketing levels that you need to skyrocket your business. And without any monthly or yearly charges, everything comes under AI Worker app. Some major challenges and difficulties that comes along with creating multi-model AI content that will be solved by AI Worker. First is getting access to Google's 20 highly trained AI experts is not easy. Crafting engaging websites from scratch is super frustrating. Creating high-converting sales funnels for offers and products is a big pain. Crafting and sending email campaigns on own is not easy. Creating Ultra HD AI videos could cost thousands, and a lot more. All these will be solved if you decide to access AI Worker. It is a low one-time offer. Also, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if this tool doesn't work for you, you can return it to the developer. So it's totally risk-free. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. Take action now and secure your future success with the AI Worker while enjoying my incredible bonuses. Now it's time for OTOs and upsells. AI Worker front end for $17. The first OTO is Unlimited Edition for $27. Is this just go unlimited and remove all limitations? Second OTO is Done For You Edition for $47. All the hard work for you by the AI. Third OTO is Automation for $37. AI Worker will work on complete automation, working 24/7 nonstop for you. Fourth OTO is AI Audience Edition for $37. Here you will get targeted audience for dedicated niche or category. Fifth OTO is Agency Edition for $67. You can create limitless AI Worker accounts for your clients and make extra profits. Sixth OTO is the AI Worker Reseller Edition for $97. This will get access to resell AI Worker and keep 100% profit to yourself. Lastly, the seventh OTO is the AI Worker 160K Live Workshop for $27. The step-by-step training to make $160,000 per month using AI Worker plus secret platforms that gives us traffic and sales. Now let's see the demo of the AI Worker and understand how it works. I hope you understand how the AI worker works. So take the plunge and witness the remarkable impact it can have on your sales and leads. With the AI worker, you'll experience a revolution in customer engagement, taking your business to astonishing new heights. Check out the link below in the description for the AI worker and exclusive bonuses. As always, thank you so much for checking out my AI worker review, and I'll see you in the next video.
Fearless.